Today's video we will fix a ASUS monitor settings grayed out, disable HDR, game mode and the unlock OSD. So in the fix one you can disable the HDR in Windows. Right click on desktop and click display settings, then click on HDR and turn off HDR. After that check your ASUS monitor settings again. After that in fix 2 you can turn off the game mode. So press the menu button on your ASUS monitor, then go to gaming or game visual setting, then change mode to standard mode. After that exit menu and check if settings are unclocked. After that in the fix 3 you can disable the adaptive sync or freeze sync. So open the monitor OSD menu, go to the gaming settings, then turn the adaptive sync or freeze sync off, then after restart the monitor. And the fix 4 you can unlock OSD, means on screen display. So firstly press and hold the menu button for 10 to 15 seconds. Look for OSD unlock message, then open menu and check the settings again. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.